Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete a workspace in Asana. Now first I have to warn you that this is actually not a button where you have to remove or delete this workspace, but there is actually a workaround. So first step is to go into my workspace right here and then select view all members. Now you want to remove all of your members from your workspace. As you can see, I have already done that. This basically makes Workspace invisible for them. And now what is left to do is to click right here and get yourself from this workspace. So what you can do simply is to go to edit profile right here, then account, and all the way down you should see remove me from my workspace. So click on that. And then, as you can see, you are currently the billing owner of this workspace. Billing owners must remain members. So you can remove yourself only if you are not a billing owner. So make sure you are not a billing owner. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.